Smart glasses are being developed by North, called Focals, are proving that the next generation of wearable tech will be stylish, innovative, and with the sole aim to reduce the number of times of taking out your mobile phone. Zunum Aero are developing hybrid electric aircraft with 80% less emissions of traditional gas turbine and virtually silent takeoff and landings, with future aircraft being easily converted to full electric as future battery capacity technology further increases. Companies such as Neuralink, backed by Elon Musk, will accelerate brain-computer interface technology that will be able to implant computer chips straight into your brain, giving you capabilities such as reading dreams, controlling machines, mind-to-mind communication, connecting your brain to the internet, transferring memories to people, downloading knowledge, living outside your body, and even experiencing other people's lives. Next generation virtual reality gameplay is being created where games will use VR headsets, wireless hand controllers, combined with the laws of physics to create real-life gameplay experience. Bell unveiled its hybrid electric Nexus eVTOL, an air taxi concept backed by Uber, which are betting that the flying taxis will soon become the ride-sharing norm. This aircraft can travel at 150 miles per hour with a 150-mile range. But take a look into the sky and give a thought to how quiet it is. This could be drastically different in the future, with the skies above our heads full of flying transportation. Israeli scientists have produced a 3D printed heart that has been custom made to order, with the first tests being the size of a rabbit's heart, but human trials coming as soon as a couple of years. Huawei's Mate X foldable phone with 5G technology will be the first truly revolutionary features for smartphones in a number of years.